That. Yes, you throw them down. This one, oh, she did it time. Here, very little one. Take the little one apart. Take this one. Here, Mom, what's got your best one? Thank you. Take this one. Do you want everything? Here, Mama, here. Take this one, here. Oh, I like that one. Come. Come here, for this one. Come. There you go. Oh, look how many you have. You want to feed the baby. Yeah. She want to feed? You hungry? Alright, put your baby in here, dear. Oh my God. That's it. Baby, drink garlic water. You don't want these babies? Okay, put them up there. You talk your own language. Okay, wait. You put this one here? Oh no. Oh no. That's exactly. You give Daddy everything to hold it. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Where's this one? Where is this part? I don't find this part. I don't know where it is. Your dad has it. Oh, there it is. Where is it? No, not that one. We're missing this one. Oh, there it is. So, how is this one? Oh my goodness. This is the little one, look. Oh no, look here. I found a little one. Watch your head. Oh no, look what we found. Look at this baby. And then there must be more.
What's that? Oh my goodness.
Look at that baby.
Thank you. Wow, that's beautiful.
Okay, put it back in here now.
Oh no,
no, I don't want to trade with you. That's it. You're giving your blanket away? No. You're going to leave this one. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Look at that.
This is mine. It's yours? I will be taking it. Oh my, this is mine. Here you go.
Tired now.
Tired now? You finished work? You didn't drink any? Your grandma. Go get her. Yes. Okay, come. Oh no, there's a horse under there.